They are digital files for your iPad or Galaxy tab designed to be used in tablet apps. They are a diary, notes, planner index, recipe book, and more. The cool thing? Each page is hyperlinked, so jumping to your desired page is just a click away. Want a sneak peek? Let's hop over to June's monthly view with just one click. To organize schedule, let's check out our weekly view to get a grip on the week's agenda. This time, let's hop over to daily page. So easy, isn't it? Every template of CalDiary has hyperlinked icons for your convenience and efficiency.